BSP chief Mayawati has claimed that the Uttar Pradesh government should have reacted better in this situation and condemned the entire incident of violence. Let's in fact listen into what she said.
व्याप्त थी कल से ही। ऐसे में शासन व प्रशासन को संभल में मस्जिद व मंदिर विवाद को लेकर सर्वे कराने का कार्य आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए था, जो तो ये ज़्यादा बेहतर होता। लेकिन ऐसा ना करके जो आज वहाँ सर्वे के दौरान जो कुछ भी बवाल हुआ है, हिंसा हुई है, तो उसके लिए यूपी का शासन व प्रशासन पूरी तरह से जिम्मेवार है। ये अति निंदनीय है।
We have with us my colleague Abhishek Singh joining us on the telecast. Abhishek, what is the development on the ground after the violent clashes are erupted in Uttar Pradesh's Sambhal?
Yeah, as per the orders of the court, the survey of Jama Masjid was ongoing at the time when some of the people have gathered at the place and they have started the stone pelting at the spot. Although after this incident, the police and the forces taken over the whole area. What we are learning from the SP of Sambhal, Krishna Kumar, the stone pelters have tried to target the police persons by putting their vehicles on fire. Action will be taken against them, and under NSA and videography is being done by the drone and CCTV cameras. All these people will be identified and NSA is going to be put on them. The action of the NSA is going to be put on them who have fired their vehicles and started the pelting, stone pelting activity over there. Yeah.
All right, some more breaking news coming in. RJD leader Manoj Jha has said that every effort should be made to maintain peace at any cost. Let us in fact listen into what he has said.
जब तक पूरे फैक्ट्स आ जाएं। अभी मैंने उपचुनाव के दौरान यूपी पुलिस का चेहरा देखा, पूरी दुनिया ने देखा, सिर्फ मैंने नहीं, क्योंकि ये छवियां सरहद के पार भी जाती कि आप रिवॉल्वर ताने लोगों को धमकी दे रहे हैं, तो उस पुलिस का की अद्यतन स्थिति क्या है हम सब जानते हैं। बहरहाल फिर भी पूरी कोशिश होनी चाहिए कि शांति बरकरार रहे किसी भी कीमत पर, चाहे रूलिंग पार्टी हो या अपोजिशन हो, लेकिन यूपी पुलिस की मिरर इमेज।
So now we're seeing that a political war of words has erupted in Sambhal after the incident of stone pelting took place in Uttar Pradesh's Sambhal. We've seen BSP chief Mayawati reacting to it, and now we're seeing RJD Manoj Jha reacting to this, RJD leader Manoj Jha reacting to it about the law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh, and he has talked about how police have threatened the people with revolvers and efforts should be done to maintain peace. So what was exactly the reason was that a clash erupted in Uttar Pradesh Sambhal. That they opposed the survey of mosques, and that is why this clash took place. So we have with us my colleague Abhishek Singh joining us on the telecast. Abhishek, a political war of words has erupted after this violent clash took place in Sambhal, and we have seen BSP chief reacting to it, and now RJD leader Manoj Jha has also reacted to that.
Yes, because of this incident, the political word war has started, and the issue is also connected to the vote bank, the people who are directly connected to the vote bank. And this is the reason why after the result which have came through yesterday in the favor of Bharatiya Janata Party, Mayawati, after a very long time, BSP has contested this by-election in UP. The result was not quite good for them. And this Sambhal incident has given a new political issue to the different political parties. And this is the reason why she has given her statement that after the orders of the court also, the district magistrate should have taken precautions. They have taken some more time for the survey, and they have talked to the people around who were not ready, who were quite aggressive at the time of the survey. And because of the bad decision of the local administration, this stone pelting incident broke down. Yes.